Welcome back to our Wise Agent tutorials. I'm Alex, and I'm happy to guide you through how to send emails in your Wise Agent account. Did you know that your Wise Agent account is stocked full of marketing features? One of these features is our Send Email tool. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of how to use this feature to help you stay connected to your past, present, and future clients. Let's get started.
Once at your dashboard, you'll want to go to the left-hand side and click on Send Email. Once at the Send Email page, you'll see two paths on the top of your screen, the Visual Drag and Drop Editor or the Classic Editor. I'm going to start with using the Drag and Drop Editor for a more professional look. This editor uses a simple system of content and blocks. You can drag items like a heading, images, or social media links directly onto your canvas to build out your message. You can use blocks to structure out your layout, or you can use the body to adjust background colors and customize borders to make your content pop and stay readable on any device. Once you are finished editing, find the blue Done Editing button on the top right-hand side. You'll be directed where you can choose your email signature, entering your subject, and also picking your salutation. You can also attach a file from here. You can either upload it from your computer or your files in your Wise Agent account, or you can also attach a contact within your Wise Agent account or a checklist. Ready to go? Hit send/schedule. You then will be directed to where your contacts are. Once you select the contacts you wish to send your email to, click Send to send immediately. If sending immediately, you'll have three options. You can send to selected, send to all in search, or send to all in search plus spouses. If you want to make sure to send to everybody within all the pages, please send to all in search. If you wish to schedule out your email, you'll click on Schedule, select a date and a time, and click on Advanced Settings to send in all in search. If you want to include spouses, you'll want to make sure that toggle is on as well. Now that you know how to use the drag and drop editor, I'm going to show you the classic editor. The classic editor is very similar to how our Wise Agent send email page used to look, where you'll be able to choose different fonts, different styles, add in a placeholder, an image, a YouTube video, or a link. You also have the capability of pulling in a landing page from your saved landing pages in Wise Agent, any of your properties that you have in your Wise Agent account, an RSS feed, or you can use our AI writing assistant. Once you're finished, click on Done Editing, and you'll be able to select your signature, subject, and salutation and attach a file. When you're ready, go ahead and click on Send/schedule. Not only do we have the drag and drop editor and the classic editor, but we also have a place for the content within your Wise Agent account. You can choose from My Content, Stock Content, Newsletters, or Drafts. If you're wanting to find your previous emails and view your statistics, you can do so by clicking on Email Stats. Once here, you can select a date range on the top to see the emails sent, average open rate, average click rate, and unsubscribes. There is also a bar graph to show you the data and an email performance section to see how your emails are performing. If you want information on what the email performance means, make sure to click on the little eye icon on the top right-hand side of that email performance section. If you scroll down, you will see your previous emails. If you wish to go in and edit, you can do so by clicking on the pencil icon, or if you wish to clone and edit, you can do so by clicking on the three dots.
And that's it. You are ready to start sending meaningful content and building strong relationships. If you have questions, check our help dropdown or reach out to support. We are always happy to help. Thank you for watching.